My turn? Yes, ma'am. Okay.
See you later, homie.
You want some wind or you want some hard, baby?
Whatever's louder for you. Did I get an info first? Your name and what all's in here, man? Go ahead.
Vinny J Music. Most of y'all know me. Running 4 Pure Audio X315s on 1 bass, Taramps 15K at 0.67.
0.67, okay. Have you metered it yet?
Yeah, 58.7.
Okay. And you built this?
Yeah.
Nice work. Nice and sealed off?
Yeah, man. Oh, this is.
It's all tearing up? Yeah, it's tearing up. Okay. Thank you for the demo. I'm gonna go check out the amp in the back. Is it open?
I can open it.
Yeah, appreciate it, man. I like to see everything. Thank you.
Yeah.
Hey, what's up? Oh no.
Oh,
That's not good.
no, it's not.
Hey, at least we checked to make sure.
Yeah, right.
Thanks for the demo, man. What was your name?
Vinny J.
Vinny? Thanks, Vinny. All right, man. But yeah, you do your thing. Whatever's louder, you feel comfortable. Go ahead.
Are you filming a YouTube video?
Yes, I am. YouTube.
You can actually open that door.
Open it? Okay. Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JacobViral when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.